Okay, I'm gonna make a video of hoofbeats and riding. Yeah. I'm really hoping that this thing will even out on YouTube where it's not going to be all jumpy with the trotting I just did.